Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and in this video we're going to show you this antique Beyer and Bock porcelain china, finely decorated, made between 1890 and 1905. Red cabbage rose, or pink cabbage rose to be more accurate design, beautifully decorated and transfer printed, and then hand finished with some raised detailing. The whites on here just that give it an incredible lift. Are all hand applied over the underlying design, and just the way, I mean, it's classic Bavarian china, this, the way the glaze colour, the background colour fades away into these different versions with this overprinted gilt design around the rims, beautifully made. Nice interior design on this open sugar bowl, no markings on the base of that. Let's just show you this this milk jug, half pint version, tall urn design, scallop footed. I mean, that is the base plate, as you can see, but just look at that handle, classic Gothic arch design. And again, the design detail around the rim of this little milk jug's absolutely incredible. Needs a bit of a wash inside with a good brush to get, because it has got a sort of internal lip down there. There is the factory mark. See that there? The B inside the shield marks. It's the only piece that's actually got that on it, but it's from clues like that you actually pick up sometimes the factory manufacturer just off a single piece in a 20 or 30 piece tea set. And then in the background, that cake plate. I mean, what a beautifully printed and decorated floral china cake plate from late Victorian era. Pierced handles, again those Gothic arch handles, irregular scalloping and the gilt overprinting on top of the under detailing with the way it just fades away, and then you've got this ribbed moulding into the cake plate. It's just on so many levels a complex piece of design and artwork that's been portrayed there. No markings on the underside of that cake plate, but it's in very good antique condition, again with the white palpable ridges just highlighting that rose design. And it reminds me of Royal Crown Derby, some of the hand painted decorated pieces, obviously not similar factory or coming from the same date range, but nonetheless spectacular. And what a beautiful tea set this is. I think we've got some teacup trios that we've listed in this design as well. These three pieces, we're going to make the single video, but they're going to be listed separately for collectors who want to put together or replacement pieces, because this will be a pattern that you can Google image, and it's pretty good at pulling the pieces that have been listed for identifying, although Beyer and Bock didn't use pattern names or reference numbers, so identifying the exact matches can be quite difficult. Thanks for watching. We'll pop links below taking you through to the three pieces shown in this video. Thank you.